Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PeoplePerHour for faster withdrawals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with PeoplePerHour for faster withdrawals, start by visiting the PeoplePerHour website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Look for the section labeled Verification or Identity Verification. Click on it to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to provide personal information, including your full name and address. Enter this information accurately to avoid any delays. Next, you will need to upload identification documents. Acceptable documents typically include a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Ensure the document is clear and legible when you upload it. For proof of address, you may upload a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure that your name and address are visible in this document. After uploading your documents, review the information you've provided. Confirm that everything is correct, then submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your submission. The verification process can take up to a few days. Check your email regularly for updates from PeoplePerHour. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation. After receiving the confirmation, you can proceed to withdraw your funds more quickly. To withdraw, go to the Withdrawals section in your account. Choose your preferred withdrawal method and follow the on-screen instructions. By completing authentication, you ensure faster processing times for your withdrawals. Keep your documents updated to maintain your verified status. Stay informed on any changes to PeoplePerHour's verification requirements. Following these steps will streamline your withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.